the producer of After the Rain, Putin's Stolen Children Come Home. As soon as we started to film in my home Kyiv, I knew how important it would be to tell the story to the global audience. This film has the power to unite us all at this crucial moment in history. The film is about a group of children, Ukrainian children, recently rescued from Russia. The illegal deportation of children is the only war crime Putin has so far been charged with. But the power of this film is not about international court cases or war crimes. The power of this movie is that it connects audiences so directly with the children. 7-year-old Sasha and her desire for more understanding from her father, something we can all relate to. And 14-year-old Veronica, as she attempts to experience true joy instead of hiding her teenage feeling behind jokes and irony. These are universal stories that need to be told now, so we can help bring as many as children illegally trapped in Russia back home to Ukraine.
А ты зубы чистила? Нет еще.
Чистила.
Вчера ночью? Угу.
Ну почему вы не хотите?
Что? Чего, Саш? Что там?
Нашу маму.
Саш,
Моё
это
стоит
не
нашим
то, что...
братиком.
Братиком? Он может быть другом. А он
Не,
не может
брат.
быть братиком, он же собака. Me korraldame selle retriidi Ukraina lastele, kes küüditati Venemaale sõja ajal. Nende pered suutsid nad füüsiliselt päästa. Me loodame, et see koht aitab ka nende hingel paraneda.
Отпустите меня в Гималаи.
О нет, о нет, о нет.
Как ты забегай там? Давай, давай, дальше.
Почему он на меня идет?
Ну, они накрывают, а потом немного стоит.
Я проста сільська жінка. Це ніхто не повірив, що ми зможемо повернути. Може, для когось це буде приклад, щоб матері, бабусі, батьки, що треба щось робити і повертати своїх дітей.
Ну, вы сказали, в коробочку ложить самое близкое. Ну, как тогда туда семью поместить? Не получится.
Hi, I'm Sarah McCarthy and I'm the film's director. This is the third film that I've made about the Putin regime's use of the separation of parents and children as a weapon of war. My mother is Ukrainian, and these films are a way for me to say thank you for all the meals she cooked and tears she dried and the home that she created for me as a child. I have a son, and my mother's care passes through me and into him now, and the thought of being separated from him is unimaginable. And I want to live in a world where when parents and children are separated, other people help. We've had 2 preview screenings so far, one for the United Nations Committee on the Rights of the Child in Geneva, and another for the filmmaking community in New York. And out of these 2 screenings, we've actually managed to raise funds for our partners, the Ukrainian Child's Rights Network, who reunited Sasha and reunited Veronica to support the return of 5 more kids. And our official world premiere will be announced later this month, and we have a packed screening schedule in the US and in Europe between now and the end of the year. But stories like this, political stories, the streamers are increasingly wary of them.
So, and that really restricts the kinds of stories that reach people. So we'd really appreciate it if you joined us in lifting up the stories of Sasha and Veronica as a way of advocating for the kids still stuck out in Russia, and also for showing the people who decide what stories matter, that the stories of these kids, Sasha, Veronica, and all the other children that they represent, are important.